sit down please. Is what he said as, so it predict the output based upon the labeled data. Label, okay, labeling we know we have some labeling in our shirts or some shoes, okay, that is called labeling. That means what? We are going to mention some kind of name, okay, that is labeling. So based upon the labeling data. So here in Empathize, what kind of application or what kind of problem we are going to take in this Empathize stage. So we need to understand the pain point of the customer or consumer or subscriber. That is the Empathize stage. Okay. So here which kind of example we took here? It is in a college, in an institution, we are going to segregate how many females are exist as well as the males are exist. Okay. That is the problem we are going to take here. Right. So that is the stage of Empathize. So here we are going to analyze what it is. How many male and female. But for what purpose we are making this? That is the exact cause. For what purpose we are going to make this? Yes, it is the data. It is analysis of some kind of data analysis. Okay, to make the database, that is database management system, we are making this analysis. Okay, now coming to the what is the next stage? Right, yes. In definition stage, we have already explained what is supervised learning. It predicts the output based on the labeled data, that is definition. So here, what is the next stage? Ideate. Yes, it is the very important stage. So we are going to segregate how many females or males in an institution or in a college. So you can see this image, okay? So here we have given us the raw data to the supervised learning and how many males, how many females in an institution exist, we are going to analyze, and finally the result will arise like this. So in this ideology, what are the constraints or metric or parameter we are going to take? Timing for ideology. What are the constraints? Yes. Yes, very good. What Harishal has said is, we can use the name. Based upon the name, we can identify whether she or he is the male or female. Okay. So first one, what are the constraints? Name. Using name. Another? Voice. Yes. Voice. Based upon the voice. Obviously, the decibel range of voice, it will differ for male as well as females. Okay. So based upon the voice frequency range, right? Next. Stand up and tell Navin, what is next? Yes, good, sit down. Based upon the Aadhaar. So we may have so many metrics, but if we give the input as so many metrics, the processing will get delayed. So we are just restricting with these three constraints, okay, to analyze whether that particular person is male or female. That is the ideal stage. What is the next stage? Prototype. In this prototype, so in supervised learning algorithm, what are the types available? What are the problems? Supervised. What are the two problems exist? What are they? Types are the basic problems in supervised learning. Okay. So first one is study, answer. One is classification. Another one is regression. So in this prototype stage, we have ideation stage, we have mentioned the constraint. In prototype stage, we must aware which problem is it. Under classification is it coming or regression stage it is coming. We need to analyze which stage it is coming. Classification, because classification it predicts the output based on digitized, whether it is yes or no. That is zeros and one binary value. Okay. So now the prototype stage, what are the algorithms we are going to use? Classification algorithms. Okay. the